Dear students, see the next question from 11th standard. The Neet exam, it is asked in 2015 from unit and measurement chapter. See the question. So you know already that in Neet 2014, the same model question. That question is based on, I think, force, velocity and time. Okay. So in that question they asked the mass. So like that, the same format, here energy is given, that's all. But they are asking the surface tension. Okay. Maybe it is for the 11th standard students, the surface tension, mechanical properties. Yes, the mechanical properties of fluids. The fluid chapter, we are going to study about the surface tension. Okay, surface tension, simply I say now. Okay. So, that is a liquid surface. It is minimize its area. Okay. So, say for example, in the raindrop. Okay, so if you observe the rain in the sky, it is like a somewhat big pond. Okay, then while it is coming to reach the earth, it will be splitted as the several drops. Due to the surface tension only it is happen. So, in the surface tension formula, okay, the force acting per unit length. Okay, so that is the surface tension. Generally it is represented by S something. Okay, in some book they mention as T also. Okay, right. So anyhow, the force acting per unit length. Okay, force acting per unit area is, that is pressure. Force acting per unit length is surface tension. Please remember that. Okay, students. Anyhow, we don't know that knowledge because it is now the unit and measurement chapter. So now we are going to find the surface tension by using the combinations of energy, velocity and time. That's all. Okay? Shall we find now? See that how to find. So now I take as that surface tension. Okay. So force acting per unit length. You know. So force acting per unit length. That is how force. See the solution. There is a force. So force acting per unit length. Okay. So now you know there is a force. Generally we can write. Okay. First the surface tension. Okay. Force acting. Surface tension. Because if you know, if it is mass means you know directly we can write M. Okay. But it is surface tension. So surface tension is equal to force acting per unit length. So force, you know, that is dimension formula mLT minus 2 divided by length, you know, that is L. Okay, force mLT minus 2 and then length value, that is L. So L value cancel. So the surface tension dimension formula, that is mT minus 2. Okay, so actually this is surface tension dimension formula, that is mt power minus 2. But instead of mt minus 2, they give in the form of energy, velocity and a time factor. So let's see that one by one. So the left side is, that is m t power minus 2, that is surface tension is equal to. This surface tension is equal to the combinations of energy, velocity and time. So that energy I don't know, it is some power will come because if you observe that all the options, some power will be there. So I don't know the power, so simply I take as x. Like that, the velocity y. Like that, the time factor, it is taken as, that is the z. So now let's discuss one by one. First for the energy. The left side as usual, mt power minus 2. So that energy. So energy, you know, is the energy. So energy unit is what? Energy unit, you know, that is simply, you know, Newton meter or joule. So Newton we know, that is kilogram meter per second square. Then one more meter is there, so I can write meter square, kilogram meter square per second square. So that is for energy. So that energy value, kilogram is mass Meter is L, so that is L square. Second is T, that is T power minus 2. Here the whole power is what? X is there. Like that, next one the velocity. So velocity you know already from here, that is Lt minus 1. That is Lt minus 1. Then power is what? Y. Otherwise, can take one more time, no problem. It's a velocity. So velocity unit you know, that is meter per second. So that one I can write, that is Lt minus 1. Next T power is Z. Directly you can write T power Z. So please listen students. So the left side is you know, that is M T power minus 2. Then the right side, first this power value apply inside, that is M power X, L power 2X, then T power minus 2X. Like that Y value apply inside, L power Y, T power minus Y, then T power Z. Okay. Then now you observe that the left side I can write M power 1. Any L value is there? No. So I can write L power 0, then T power minus 2. Like that the right side we can write M, L, T separately. First I can write M. So M value only 1 M is there, so no problem, directly write. That is M power X. Next L value, L power 2X, then L power Y. So L power 2X plus Y. So now L value is over. Next T value, T power minus 2X, T power minus Y, then T power Z. So we can write T power minus 2X, then T power minus Y, then T power plus Z. Now the T value also over. Now we have to compare that left side and right side. You know very well, the base value equal means the power value also will be equal. So we take first of all the mass factor. For the mass, here the mass value left side is 1, here mass value right side is X. So I can write power value is X. So we can write X value is equal to 1. Because the base is equal, so power also equal. That concept. Next let's take a length factor. It's a length. So in the length factor you know there is a 2x plus y is equal to, what is that? Here is 0, length value is 0. Here already you know x value is 1. So 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 0. So there is a 2 plus y is equal to 0. So y is equal to, that is minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2. So x value minus 1, y equal to minus 2. Like that, let's take that time factor. It's a time factor. In the time factor, you know, right side, we can write minus 2x minus y plus z is equal to, here the time factor what? Minus 2. Okay. So you know x value is equal to 1. Apply here. So minus 2 into 1 minus y value, you know, minus 2. So minus 2. Then plus z is equal to, again minus 2. So minus 1 into 1, minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. Minus of minus 2 is, that is plus 2. Then plus z is equal to minus 2. So if you observe that, here minus 2x minus y plus z. So minus, okay, right. So here minus 2 plus 2 will be cancelled. So z is equal to minus 2. So now you observe that, let us take, this is equation number 1. So now we can write this x value, y value and z value applied in equation number 1. Okay, so equation number 1, you know, that is surface tension. This is simply we can write as surface tension, that is yes. Okay, so surface tension equal to e power x. E power x. Then instead of x, what is that? 1. So x place is 1. Next, v power y. V power y. So y place is what? Minus 2. minus 2, and then z value, that is t power z, t power z, z value what? Minus 2. Okay, so now we can write, therefore finally surface tension is equal to e power 1, that is e, b power minus 2, then t power minus 2. So dear students, if you observe that e power 1, that is e, b power minus 2, t power minus 2. So this option is satisfied with, see that, so this option is satisfied with, what is that? Option B. So the correct answer is option B. Okay. Okay students, I hope you understand. Okay.